My name is Aaron Patty and I'm a senior.
I'm AJ Pizzell. I'm in 12th grade.
Christian Kozak, and I'm a senior.
I'm Josh Summers and I'm a senior.
I'm Braden Rasmussen. I am in 11th grade.
My dad would be Tony Stark. To me, he's pretty smart. I guess my mom, Pepper Potts.
From Simpsons.
Dad, Superman, Mom, Wonder Woman. I think I'd have good genes.
My dream career, I think I would be an artist.
Being an architect.
Engineer, I want to be an engineer one day.
PBA.
My dream career is probably going on the PBA tour.
Be lotto because I would just give it to somebody else because I don't want a lotto because everyone's going to be finding out my phone number and all that stuff. And when you think about it, if someone knows you have the lottery, they'll instantly text you and stuff saying, "Oh my God, it's been so many years. I haven't seen you."
Lotto.
Probably win the lottery. I wouldn't really like being famous too much.
Definitely lottery.
Yeah, the lottery.
Bass Pro Shop.
Probably GameStop.
The Lego store.
Probably Walmart. Used to work there and they have everything.
Max my card at Target.
I only use Motive Equipment. I like sushi and am religious.
I won a pool tournament with a partner. I've never broken a bone. My high game is a 259.
Went on a cruise for my 5th birthday. I've swam with dolphins and I've gone skydiving before.
My favorite color is yellow. I have 2 dogs. I bowled a 245.
I went skydiving with my best friend. I went swimming and I almost drowned. Or I went fishing.